composed by Robert Southey. He was born in 1774 at Bristol, England. He was received his education at the Westminster College School, London, and after at Oxford. The scholar is a very short yet highly inspiring poem. It is a poem with simple and appealing theme, language and style. It shows the regard the poet has for the famous writers of the olden times. The poet has a strong desire to borrow the noble thoughts of the past generations, and the poet says that his days always his he his days always passes with the company of the writer of the past. My days among the dead are past. It means it that in this poem the poet assumes the personality of a scholar. We must imagine that poet is sitting in his library. Wherever he watches, he gets the books written by the great writers of the past. When he tries to when he tries to read William Shakespeare, then he directly contacts William Shakespeare, John Donne, William Wordsworth, etc. Around me, I behold wherever he watches by chance, where these casual eyes are cast, the mighty minds of old. As I have told you, that he is sitting in his library. Wherever he watches by chance, he gets the great books. My never failing friends they are, and he thinks that the great writers, the great writers of the past are his never failing friends. You can say that he thinks that the great writers of the past are the best friends for him, with whom I converse day by day, and he thinks, he imagines that by that creation, when he tries to read a book, when he tries to read a poem, that time he talks with them directly. With them I take delight in Bill, and he considers him his best friend. He gets with them I take delight in Bill and seek relief in woe. He gets pleasure in pleasant time. He gets pleasure in pleasant time as you are celebrating your birthday and your real friend has come, that you feel that you are very happy. Same way, he gets he gets pleasure in his company and seek relief in woe, and he gets consolation in problems as he is facing many problems, and if his friend comes and he says him that you must not worry about, I am here, that time he gets consolation. And while I understand and feel